So I have an abandoned cart sequence that I want to have sent out, and then I also have once they do a purchase,
Mhm.
a welcome email. So a 6 email workflow that goes with that,
Okay,
and
cool.
I guess a thank you for your purchase as well.
Sure. On the first step inside of this funnel, are they opting in at all, or is it just taking them to the next step?
So on this one, they can because if you go to um like here, they can actually opt in here too, which will redirect them to the order page.
Hmm. Yep,
So
perfect.
they don't have to go all the way through to the funnel if they don't want to.
Okay. I just want to confirm that on this page that they are giving you their email and stuff. If they are, that means we can connect the workflow in that first step for the abandoned cart. So just go over here and click on the little email icon. And from there, we're gonna go ahead and it looks like you have it started. So click on that directly and we can just start messing around with that.
So click on two active triggers.
Hmm.
Okay.
And from here, go ahead and click on this guy right here. Let's just see what the triggers are. What do we have in place? Okay, opt in. Yeah, okay, cool. Sales page. Yeah, it looks like that is correct. The you can t turn off this one. We're only going to attach the abandoned cart to one of them because it looks like you're trying to do both at the same time.
Okay.
And go and exit out of that. Perfect. Okay. To add the first step here, go ahead and click on a little circle icon in that line. And what we're looking for is going to be probably a delay. I usually like to go with like a 45-minute delay in
Yeah.
between so that people have time to go and grab their wallet wherever it is or handle screaming children that are that need attention right now. And they can come back to it afterwards, right? So scroll down on the right hand side until you see the option for delay. Just keep scrolling
Oh,
down.
yeah.
It's gonna
Okay.
be in
Oh,
the
it's down the
purple.
next one. Yeah, I can see the.
Yep. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. All right. And just type in 45.
Okay, so that's
Nice.
all good. 45
That's
minutes.
it. Yep. And then go ahead and create. All right, we're going to add one more step now, and it's going to be a conditional split path. So go ahead and click on the little plus icon again, or the little circle there. And we're looking for this guy. All right. With that, now we can go ahead and just click on the little that bar there, essentially to set up the condition. Inside of that new pop-up that will appear, we're going to go ahead and change the filter to purchased product. Just type in, you can type it into PUR, and it should come up at that point. And then this guy. And then select the correct product that you want them to actually purchase.
Okay, so I have one, two, three. So the way the funnel is at the point of purchase, there's a V curve attached to that. So this could be one or two or three or five or or 10. Do I add all of them or
Okay. And those are all set up as different products.
they're all set up as different products, which
Okay.
is one of the things that I was having a challenge too is creating I was able to keep it at just one color
Hmm.
because I'm selling it as natural undyed silk. However, I do have three different sizes. And so I would have to figure out a way that they could, once they've purchased, let's say they purchased 10
Hmm.
and they wanted to do three standard sizes, three regulars and four king size, maybe,
Are they
how
different
to,
prices for kings and
they're
standards?
going to
And
be all the same price. So
oh,
the
then it
only
makes it
thing is
easy.
that,
Yeah, we
yeah,
can
so the only thing I need to do is the sizes.
easy. We can do that afterwards. That's fine. Well,
Okay.
then in that case, if there's a few different products they can choose from, just go right here to the middle drop down, and we're selecting is one of this one right here, and then you can select any of those products or all the products that they can purchase on that page.
So all of them. So
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one,
All the products
oh,
that they will be purchasing on that page.
that one.
Hmm. And click
Oh,
again and just keep going through.
so sweet.
Make it easy on your life.
I like it. I like it.
Otherwise, I mean, you could technically go and set up like a bunch of different rules, but
No, I
that's
don't want to do that.
crazy.
Oops.
By the way, hello,
Right.
Tony and Connie. Good to see you. I didn't say anything. Hi. Good to see your faces, as always.
Okay, so that's it.
That's all the, okay, cool. From there, just go ahead and hit submit, and it should take us outside or back to that workflow. Cool. All right, we got the rule in place. So if they purchase, they'll go down the yes path. If they don't, they'll go down the no path, right? And if they purchase, then we want to take them outside of this abandoned cart email sequence so they don't receive any emails, right? At least from this. So go ahead and
Mm.
click on the little circle icon here for the yes drop down or yes side. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until you find the option for end workflow. Uh, keep going, keep going.
This one here.
And
And
yep, that's the one. All right. And we're basically going to repeat this process like 3 times. So we got this. Now you can add the email right here. We can create it directly in the actual workflow itself. Scroll up just a little bit on the right hand side, and we should see an option for send email. That's the one.
so a quick question for you then. So the
Mhm.
emails that I'm going to create for this, they're not going into the one-off emails. They're going to be part of something separate.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you
Okay.
can technically use any email you've ever created as like a starting point, like a template. But
Mm-hmm.
these emails specifically that we're creating right now are going to be in the workflow directly. And
Ah,
whenever
okay.
someone meets the criteria of either not purchasing, well, in this case, not purchasing, they'll be sent this email. So,
Okay, gotcha.
yep.
Okay, so
So
I've
these
been
are all starting
using,
templates. If you've already created email templates that you want to use, you can click on My Templates or Previous Emails, and it'll show you what has already been created. If you wanted a starting point from there. You don't have to. You can create it from scratch if you want to. It's totally up to you.
yeah, I don't have the abandoned cart ones yet.
That's okay. I mean, you can create a new template too if you want, and then you can use that moving forward for like
Okay.
the rest of the abandoned cart emails. In the top right, you can, or you can
Okay, and then
start
I
from
can
it
just
as
go in and put the content inside after.
yeah, they're all editable. They're not going to be
Oh,
stuck
okay,
the way
cool.
they are. Yep.
Oh, okay, perfect. So I can just hit create here and I would be good.
Yeah. You can come back at any point to adjust
Okay.
any of these
Okay,
drop
great.
downs and the content and all that stuff. When you do that, if you click on this little caution symbol, it should take you into the editor for the email itself, where you can adjust everything. But yeah, come back
Oh,
anytime,
okay. Awesome.
copy,
Okay,
paste, put
perfect.
whatever you need in
Yep.
there, and should be all good.
Okay, cool.
Let's go back out of here. Let's finish up the setup process though. We're pretty close. Now, for like layers, we usually go around like 3 follow-ups for abandoned carts. You can go more if you want to, but 3 is what I found on my end to be the point where people are like, I hate you. Stop.
Like 3 emails, you mean?
3 emails. Yeah. Like 3 instances around like the product that they didn't purchase, right? 3 is uh, like a good healthy amount, but test it
Okay,
with your
perfect.
audience. Maybe they are okay with 4. Maybe they're okay with 5. Who knows?
Oh my God, I
Um,
was told to create 7.
7.
I know, right? Seems like a little
Well,
overkill.
I mean,
Well, no,
hey,
but 3 emails sounds good. And they don't have to be long, right? They can just be short and sweet.
yeah, it's totally personal preference, honestly.
Right. Okay, gotcha.
Test it out. Like it's never one size fits all for every industry.
Okay.
You're doing okay. So we do services and stuff, right? You do more of like e-commerce and you're selling physical
Mm-hmm.
products. So it might be a little different. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay. I'll just
But
try it out. Doesn't matter. Yeah.
worst case
Um,
scenario, you add a couple more
hmm.
steps in the sequence. But scroll down just a little bit, and we're going to expand on this a little bit. On the no side, um, go ahead and add
Yep.
a step after the email right
So
here.
here.
No, right here, right after the email.
Oh, here. Yep.
All right, and we're going to go ahead and check or wait for about a day. I separate these about a day each.
Okay.
So go over to delay or just add a delay to the actual step. There you go. And then just select day right here and then create. All right. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and create a new conditional split path. We'll do that right here. And we're going to follow the exact same thing. So another split path, add all the products, and then that would be step two.
Okay, so every time you do one of these, you add, right, for all the products.
Yep. Yeah, just click on the little bar there and it should pull up the little pop-up to add everything. And then we're new purchase products. And then for the center one, just make sure that is set to is one of, and then you can select all the products.
All right.
Otherwise, yeah, it's only one product there.
Okay. And then I just do them all individually again.
Mm-hmm. I wish there was a way to clone steps. I wish I should double check and see if there's a feature request. It might be already. Who knows? Cool. Anyway, well, after that, go ahead and just for the yes side, put end, and then on the right side, go ahead and add the email, and then another delay. So
Email,
for this one, it's gonna be
email.
end. I know I have a bajillion arrows on your screen, but oh, you pass it. Go up just a little bit. Keep going. It's gonna be in the green, right above conditional goal. This guy. Oh,
For me,
uh,
email or end?
for end.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was going to email.
The other side,
Okay.
we'll add the email. Sweet. And then this guy right here. Yep. And that side, you'll put the email. That's gonna be the one at the very top. And that's it. Um, if you wanted to,
hmm
you could wait for this and then just essentially use the previous email option or this tab right here after you've created the first email. If you want to have
Oh,
that as a
right.
starting point,
Okay.
totally up to you.
Yep.
Like maybe design it
Gotcha.
first and then come back here. That might save a little bit of time, but just remember to come back and actually add the email.
Okay.
Um, but yeah, and then after that, we'll go ahead and add another delay and then one more conditional split path. For this delay, I do about a day. Oh, this guy. Oh,
Yep.
sorry, I'm chasing it down. Yeah, and you can leave that as that, but for the days option or 3 days, so this will essentially send or wait 3 days from the point that that last email is sent.
Which was
Um,
one day after?
so if you want this to be sent or wait 1 day from the point where they receive this newest email, you just want
Yeah.
to put 1 day instead of three. This is what's going to happen here is like
Oh, okay.
they'll
One
receive
day
that
from
one
the
email.
last email.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah. If you
Okay.
put three, they'll actually wait 3 days. So it'll be like 4 day or 3 days from that last delay
hmm
you had.
Okay. Perfect.
But after that, should be good to go there. And then we're just going to repeat the process one more time with another conditional split path. And then um, end on one side, email, and that's it. And if you want to expand, you keep going from there.
Okay. Perfect. And then here, sorry, did you tell me that I do another email? No,
Oh, here,
it's
go and
over, right?
click
It's
on.
three emails.
We've only done two so far, I believe.
Oh, we have?
Yeah, I think so. Scroll up a little
No,
bit.
we had the 1 hour,
Go up a little bit
one
on the in the
day.
workflow. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we've only done two conditional. Yeah, we've only done two conditional split paths. One right there and one right there, I think.
Oh, okay.
So we just need one more iteration basically, and then it should be good. Just type in or this conditional split path right here. There we go. And then you can just drag the end that you've already created to the yes side, and it should be fine. Just if you hover to the left side of it and drag it that little like the
This?
six dots, it might let you
Oh,
drag it there
this.
too. Who knows? Yeah.
hmm
And then just drag it to that cube on the left side.
Here? Oh,
No, on the yes path. Yeah. There you go. Cool. All right. And then on the no side, we'll just do the same thing with adding email. and then, or you can wait till afterwards. I guess that's totally fine.
Yeah,
But
I can go back and change it, you said, right? So,
yeah, yeah,
oh yeah, okay.
but that would be the complete sequence once those emails are created and added there. Last thing, make sure that the conditional set up for those products, and then this would be a working series.